Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I want to show you in MovieMaker 10 how to completely cover over an item, text, unwanted information in a video. Click on More Tools, click on All Settings, and Photo Overlay. Click on Add
not ever
Photo.
seen a calculator
Let's
ant
click the zinnias
in my own
and open those. Notice that there is my red ant, my large ant. Let's say that I wanted to cover up this hymenopteron. This is not exactly big enough to cover it up, is it? We could always make this a little bit larger. So this could be used to cover up text. It could be used to cover up an object, cover up a shadow, something you don't want to see. I was experimenting with some other tools in MovieMaker, and I was trying to do a text overlay with fill, and there was bleed through. You could see what was behind, but this apparently covers everything. You can't see what's behind here, even in the light areas of this picture. It's blocking completely. This bar can be used to control how much time you want to cover whatever you're attempting to cover. Now, in the application I was using, it was something that was in a computer, and so it was staying still. It wasn't moving like this red furry ant. But this does the job. Thank you for that, MovieMaker. Let's click OK. And we've got it going for just a little while here in the video. Let's go back and take a look at it for a second and see what we think.
I have not ever seen a calculator ant in my own backyard, but there's a big one here.
All right, good enough. That's not an exact fit for what the application that I was trying for, but it shows you how to do the job to completely block out some portion of a video.